I just want to go home. I'm hurt so much. My arm hurts, my head hurts, everything. I just want to go to my dad. I was at the house. My foot are hurting. Here I go.
Huh? Katori? Katori, you okay?
The dad.
Are you okay? You're hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, come here. I'll put you on the couch. Um, how was school?
It's awful, Dad. It's awful, Dad.
Uh, what happened?
Why did the bullies beat me up? And they totally hurt me. And they probably hurt my bones.
Oh, do you know where they live?
No.
Oh, because I want to give them a bad time messing with my kid.
Please don't, Dad. Please.
Fine, I won't. But I will warn them, though.
Can you please give me something to heal me? Please?
I'll give you bandages and an ice pack. Be right back. Where are the bandages and the ice pack? Oh, found them. Katori, here.
Oh, thanks, Dad. Can you do it for me? Because I'm really hurt.
Sure, sweetie. And done. You really are hurt, aren't you?
Yeah, I am, Dad.
Hmm. Do you want me to give you a few kisses on your boo-boos?
Yes, please, Dad.
Okay. Mm, 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 mm.
Dad tickles.
Does it make you feel a little better?
Yeah, it is.
Man, I just can't believe you got hurt by those bullies. I will get them back, I swear.
Just please don't kill them.
Don't worry, sweetie. I'm not gonna kill them. I'm just gonna warn them, and I hope they will never mess with you again. Or don't bully you ever again, something like that, you know?
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Uh, uh,
You're tired, aren't you?
yeah. Can you carry me to my room, please? Because I'm still hurt.
Sure. I will go. Okay, in your room. And I'll put you on your bed. Tuck you up. There you go.
Hmm.
Are you feeling cozy?
Yep, I am, Daddy.
Hmm. Well, see ya.
Daddy, wait.
Huh?
Can you give me a goodnight kiss, please?
Hmm. Sure, sure, Katori. Hmm. I love you, Katori.
I love you too, Dad. Good night.
Hmm. Good night to you too, sweetie. Don't worry. When I meet the bullies, I will give them a bad time. Hmm. Even though my little girl is so cute when she's sleeping. I love you so much, Katori. And I'll ever get better to you, my little kid.
Okay, so
that was Father Claxus Sands ex injured bullied child Katori. It's Faith's OC, so it was caused by Faith. So yeah, so I did it. So I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe to me, and I'll do more soon though. So peace out, guys. Love you all.